Check out this little cutie pie from Husqvarna, the hiking hatchet. It's a 9-inch handle, give or take a little bit. We got, now no longer is Husqvarna having their stuff made by Haltefors or Halsbrook. This is actually made by Bison, a German company. You can go over and look up the Bison trekking hatchet, which is pretty similar to hiking hatchet, and it's the exact same axe. And even God approves. This is much less expensive than the Bison version, $70, which is still ridiculous. So you guys make the choice. The Bison one is $110.